All right, next video we are working on the Castle Keep. Castle Keep is one of the structures that's inside the wall. This is oftentimes the royalty area. And this is simply a box that's going to be within your wall. And so to make this, you are going to draw 3 lines going straight up. And then they go to the vanishing point. Now, on this Castle Keep, there's a very good chance that you're going to see windows. We already know how to do windows, so you decide what you want this to look like. It might be something that you do some research and you figure out what you want to have for your castle. You could also draw additional towers within the walls of your castle. And basically for this, if you want the fancier type towers, you can start with vertical lines, and then you're going to use basically the pointed top, but you're also going to round around. You're going to have it kind of rounding around like this, and this takes a little bit of trial and error. And then from that, you'll find the center. I'm going to find the center here, or what I think is the center, and I'm going to rotate my ruler until it hits that rounded edge right there. So if I go on this side, I'm going to go again from the point of this, and I'll rotate my ruler until it hits, and then I draw my line. Well, that's not going to work. We'll try this again. There. All right, so then you could have something along the lines of this for your towers. Next thing I want to talk to you about are doors, and we're going to start with a square door in this video first. And so I'm going to start with a line that goes up. This is going to be a pretty decent sized door, so it has a drawbridge on it. And then we are going to go to the left-hand vanishing point. Actually, in hindsight, I'm looking at this thinking it's kind of small, but we'll go ahead and keep going. And so then a vertical line here. It's very wide, but it could be a little bit taller. All right, and then that's your basic door. To do a drawbridge, we need to extend out a projection. So I am going to say, okay, ground level going up. I'll have a rectangle using the left-hand vanishing point, and then I'm going to project this rectangle, all 4 corners, using the opposite vanishing point. So from these 4 corners, the right-hand vanishing point, and we'll project out. Or stop it with a vertical, and you'll have to kind of gauge how long you want this to be based on the actual height of your door. So I stopped it with a vertical here, and then from that vertical you go to the vanishing point on that side, which this happens to be the left side. I'll go the top and the bottom, and you can see right here this line doesn't come out long enough, so I'm going to use my ruler to go back using the right-hand vanishing point and come forward. And then from here we'll stop it with a vertical line right here. Okay, there's the back corner of my drawbridge. I was off just a little bit, so I'm going to do some correcting and fixing to make this look a little better here. And we would erase any of the inside construction to make this look more like an actual solid door. You could have lines on this for planks. Just use the right-hand vanishing point. All right, and you go all the way across. If you want to draw the actual wood planks and separate them, you use the vanishing point on this side and alternate. They're going to be long planks, but we don't want them all lining up exactly. So we could have a series of planks just like this. Again, this is only half done. What you'll also want to do is possibly put some sort of a chain, something that's going to bring this drawbridge up and down. And so you can go up for the height of where that chain would start. It can be up even higher. It could go all the way up here and connect here. It could be from here and angle down like this. You can even actually make it look more like a chain by adding some links onto it. If I want it to line, mine actually looks like it's curving. If I want this on both sides, I'm going to go from the vanishing point back and say, okay, my other chain is going to line up right here. And I'll go back. And then I would put my chains, my links in. There we go, I got another round one. Didn't mean for that to look like it's curving. Should be very straight. But anyway, there's the next video.